Hi guys, I wanted to show you a little bit of my process. I got some more orders on my Etsy for some spell work, and I wanted to show you how I go about doing that, getting those spells started, what I do. So the first thing I do is gather supplies, pictures of the intended. I have a few, so don't want to show those off, but want you to know I get pictures of the intended. I make a large one so that the jar will sit on it, the candle will melt, the wax will fall, and I can read the wax. And then I do a small one so that I can actually insert it into the jar. And if I'm doing more than one, maybe I'm doing a return to sender, an uncrossing, and a binding banishing. So then I'll need more pictures, obviously. So I do that. And the next thing I do is grab my trusty recipe book and I start going through it. So one of these spells is a return to sender spell. So I look at my return to sender spell and I see all the herbs I'm going to need, dirts I'm going to need, oils I'll need, and then I will take my trusty pen and paper and write down all the herbs I'll need for that spell, write the spell at the top, return to sender, everything I'll need, and what steps I'll need to take. So it's all in one spot and I don't have to keep flipping back to the book because the next spell is an uncrossing spell. So I'll have to turn the page and then I'll do the same thing. So I have one sheet instead of having to constantly go back and forth between the book. So that is the process for spell work that I go through so that I can get your spells out to you. So if you are interested in any spell work, if you have anything you want taken care of, if you're interested in just looking at my Etsy shop and seeing what I offer, it's growing every day, then you would go to www.etsy.com/shop/Lunea's Corner, all one word, and check out my shop and tell me if you need anything. I would love to help you out. I love working with people. I love working with clients, and I love getting to know my clients. I do readings. I sell items. I sell spells, different types of spells. Some are smaller than others. Some are bigger. Some of them actually come to you and you process the spell. Some of them I process for you, depending on what you're interested in. So check out my page, my Etsy page, and let me know if you think you need anything. And now you know a little of my process. I love you guys dearly. You're all divine, sacred beings of light and love. Please have a blessed day. Stay inside. Stay safe. Bye, guys.